This is code.org, CS Discoveries or Computer Science Discoveries. Unit 2 is what we're working on, which is their HTML focused unit. And we're on Lesson 3, Intro to HTML, and Level 6, which is HTML tags. Let's see what this is about. HTML tags. What is HTML? In order to display a web page, a computer needs to know a lot more than just what words or images should be on the screen. It needs to know where to place the content, what size to make it, what fonts and colors to use, and lots of other information that turns ordinary text and images into a full web page. To solve this problem, computer scientists have created languages that communicate this extra information. HTML, which is short for Hypertext Markup Language, is one language that helps solve this problem. Using a system of tags, HTML lets a programmer indicate the purpose of different parts of a web page. This lets the computer know how it should display these different elements. HTML tags. HTML indicates the purpose of different parts of a web page by surrounding them with pairs of opening and closing tags, like in the example below. Let's see what we have here. My paragraph. Oh, I bet this is a paragraph tag. HTML element. So opening tag, it's this less than sign, or alligator mouth, as I sometimes call it. Less than sign, P for paragraph, and greater than sign. My paragraph, yada yada. And then a less than sign slash P for paragraph again, and then a greater than sign. That's the tag that closes it. This is the tag that opens it. Anything in between is what this tag is going to have an impact on. So whatever this does, and it creates a paragraph, anything in between these two tags, whether it's on one line or maybe this ending tag is 4 lines down, all of this stuff in between the two tags is then affected. It's part of the paragraph. So it looks like this is explaining opening paragraph, closing paragraph. I did that, so let's keep going. Default tags. Okay. All HTML pages include a common set of tags. They're so common, in fact, that all web lab projects will start with them added already. This is standard in almost anything that you're building with HTML. It's already going to have these tags there for you because you're gonna use them, or it's exceedingly likely that you're going to use them. So it's kind of the bare bones site that you'll need. This is starter code. This starter code is included in each web lab project. The different tags are explained below. So this is one of those rare tags in HTML that it's all capitalized, at least here. HTML traditionally is lowercase, but this one is not. This will always appear at the top of a document. It has, well, obviously, less than, exclamation point, doc type space, lowercase HTML, and then greater than. This tells the computer that this is a document written in HTML. Okay, and then our HTML tag, which appears here, and this one has a closing tag. Notice this top one actually doesn't. It's one of the rare HTML tags that doesn't need that. This is a closing tag. The HTML closing tag will go all the way at the bottom of your website, because everything you write is going to be on the site. It's going to be in between the HTML tags. So HTML indicates the beginning of your code written in HTML. Then head. The head tag contains information sometimes called metadata about your web page. We'll learn a bit about that. Metadata is often stuff that doesn't show up on your site, but it might be used by search engines like Google. Say your site's about computers and technology, you might specify in the metadata, hey, keyword is technology. Anyways, body. Oh, the head tag is also where the title appears. So up here, code.org/ goes in the head tag, the title. The title tag does not appear on the site. It appears up here. We'll get into that later. They're not talking about that now. So anyways, head tag. Body tag contains all the main contents of your page. Yeah. For what we're going to be doing, 95% of all of our code, all of our HTML is going to be appearing in between this body tag and this body tag. It's where your paragraphs appear, it's where your pictures, it's where your list, all of that stuff will go there. So, H3 schools. There is a lot of great resources to learn about HTML tags online, but one of the most commonly used is h3w3schools.com. And I can attest to this, it is excellent. I use it all the time. This site includes lots of useful information about how tags work, as well as links to new tags you might want to read about. In map levels in this unit, you'll find a link to the tags on the W3 schools and you should explore other tags if you're interested in learning more. So these all link to W3 schools. It gives you more information about the tags. Highly recommend you clicking on that. For us though, we're going to go ahead and march onwards.